What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video and happy Vlogmas.
We can ride in the sunset. Your heart important. We can skirt off, ride off on 4Gs. I want you after so many choices, you know it. And I'm down to do whatever.
Okay, so here we have Jayla. It's her birthday this weekend, so we're gonna hook her up with the sleigh. We're gonna be back after I do the ball cap. No, just we're gonna be back after I do the ball cap method. Yes, I have on a bunny because oh Lord. That's why. Coming down in the section. Comment down in the comments below how I should get my hair.
Okay, I did say I'm gonna do tips on dyeing hair red, so I went ahead and bleached this hair to you know, blonde, of course. Some lifted more than the other, but as you can see, that burnt. The bundle that you see that is burnt, it will not be used. Anyways, here's the products and what you need. Yeah, you need red and red hot to make the best. And once you mix it, it should become and look something like this with the consistency of this. Stir as much as possible so it don't be as clumpy. You know, you don't want to have too much product. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some Got2b, and I'm not making this shorter. I mean, I'm not speeding this part up. I want you guys to see exactly how much Got2b I use. This is very important for your frontal so that your frontal does not, well, the lace on your frontal does not dye red. You do not want red lace. I literally sprayed for probably 45 seconds. I put so much, and then I also let it air dry so that it can harden. Or you could spray 3 coats and then blow dry it, spray 3 more, blow dry it again, and do it one more time. You know, you really want this to set in so that if any lace do get on it, I mean, if any dye do gets on it while you're dyeing your hair, it'll wash right off with the Got2b. Okay, so I didn't add the ball cap in this because I did do another video with the ball cap method, but we're going to get straight into doing the install. I'm not going to talk much in this video. I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how I slayed this cherry red hair. Enjoy this video and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Okay, so I do want to apologize in advance. The camera literally cut off and died, and we were on a time schedule, so I wasn't able to, you know, charge anything fast enough. But I hope you enjoy this look.